What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage and another totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. Today we are going to disconnect the S52 from the ZF 5-speed. And doing that, we're going to need some specialty tools, so let's talk about those real quick. So I know you guys want some Berty 30 content. It's been quite some time since I've done anything on this particular vehicle, and well, it's because it's been just freaking hot outside. It's been like 100+ degrees out. I haven't really started feeling like swapping a motor. Sorry guys, but what we'll do is we're gonna separate the transmission from the engine. That way we can get it up onto this engine stand so we can do some stuff with the oil pan. This right here is what brings us down to the totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. This is an External Torx bolt. Now, the only way you can really get this thing off is with the proper socket. And in this particular case, it is an E14 socket. So these are kind of some oddball tools. I didn't have any of these myself actually, so I had to go pick some up. But this is an E14. They also have E13s, E12s, E10s, you know, all the different sizes, but it's an External Torx. So what does that mean? Well, you guys know what a Torx looks like, right? So just think of what a Torx screwdriver looks like. It's basically the opposite because it's a bolt. Normally you would go into it, where this, you know, you go around it. So we're gonna go ahead and loosen this up. Pretty much it's just a socket, but it is a specialty socket, and if you're ever gonna do anything on BMWs, other European manufacturers use these as well, so it's always something good to pick up. Let's go ahead and break these loose. That way we can separate the engine from the transmission. We can show you guys a little bit of progress. So let's break them loose. Ooh, ooh, look at that. Look at that. So we're gonna take these all off. These are E14s and E12s actually on the transmission. I definitely recommend this little guy as a 2-minute tool time tool. Now I know these aren't impact rated, but hey, you know, whatever. They're cheap. I don't have impact rated ones. So if you could pick up some External Torx impact rated tools, that would be kind of kill. 2 birds with 1 stone. I'll see if I can't find some of those as well. I'll probably need to pick some of those up for me also, but yes. Okay, we got those. Take the starter motor off. That's easier. This one's using E12, so again, that External Torx that you made coming in super handy. Then we got an E10 going on the side right here. So let's get that. Boom, right into the oil pan. Pumping it up, getting it off the ground. E10s down here at the bottom of the oil pan. One more of the E10s down here. Now I reinstalled 2 of the bigger ones up here. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the engine back down on the ground. That way we can separate the 2. Be nice if I had a clutch alignment tool, but I don't at the moment. See what the clutch material looks like. I'm very interested. I see quite a bit of clutch material down here, so I'm gonna assume it's pretty toasted, but let's find out. Ooh, yeah, Hotspot City. Yep. All right, and this is what we have, a dual mass flywheel right here. So this is what I want to get rid of. The dual mass is basically these 2 separate pieces, so you get this little bit of play in it. It really smooths up how the clutch engages, but man, that thing is pretty hot spotted from what I can tell. It's a Shach, S-A-C-H-S. To me, it looks pretty burnt up, so yeah. We're gonna be needing a new clutch and flywheel. Faux show. We'll put a new pilot bearing in there. Oh yeah, it's got a little bit of play. Might have been making a little bit of noise, who knows. Let me know what you guys recommend down below, guys. I want to get a lightweight flywheel because this thing is like super heavy and super thick. I want to get that going and probably to get this thing on the engine hoist soon and do some oil pan changing out. I got you a little bit of S52 content, so I hope you guys dig that. Definitely need to get a new clutch for this thing and a new flywheel. Want to go lightweight. That old stuff's just, it's not race car. That ain't cool. So we got to get something lightweight, something single mass, something good. Anyways, guys, we will talk to you soon. Make sure to subscribe and wrench on.